Students, this is a special case of the hyperbola, the transverse axis parallel to the x-axis. In hyperbola, we don't call it as major axis. We use the term as transverse axis. So if we were to draw the hyperbola, it will be something of this form. So let me do that. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Now the hyperbola is going to be centered somewhere over here. Hyperbola is nothing but two parabolas. Okay, so let me mark these points. So we have got the focus, okay, that is S there, and this is S dash. This is the vertex, so that's going to be A and A dash. Now this is the center. Now this center is going to be H comma K. Now you have to understand one important thing. Now there is something called as the asymptote. Now the asymptote will be passing through the center. Maybe let me draw it like this, but it will never touch the curves, but it's a straight line. Okay, I'm trying to make it straight. It's a straight line. Okay, and similarly there will be another asymptote that is passing through the center. Okay, it will be more close to the curve. Okay, so it's just a rough sketch. I hope you are able to get the essence of it. Okay, so the curve it'll be more closer to the curve will be more closer to the asymptote, or in other words, the asymptote, the line will be more closer to the curve. Okay, anyway, having got that, so we got the center, we got A, we got A dash, we got S dash, we got S, and we have to now place the coordinates. Okay, now the form of the hyperbola, that's important, form of this hyperbola centered at H comma K and transverse axis parallel to x-axis is of the form, okay, it's going to be x negative h raised to the power 2 divided by a squared negative y negative k raised to the power 2 divided by b squared is equal to 1. Now we have to give the coordinates of a dash, s dash. So let me write it down. Coordinates of vertices are, so A is h positive a comma k, and a dash is h negative a comma k. So this is the first information. Okay, next S is h positive c comma k, and s dash is h negative c comma k, where our c squared is a squared plus b squared. Okay, this is different for hyperbola. I've already mentioned the c squared for the parabola, but in case of the hyperbola, this is the value of the c squared. And vitally, and equation of directrix, two directrixes are there. So its directrixes are x is equal to h plus a over e, and x is equal to h negative a over e. Okay, so hopefully we have got all the information that we need. So we will move on to do questions related to